Hello, my name is Ashish Gautam and I'm going to talk about the Bessel filter in Oasys THIS. First, to summarize filters in THIS. Butterworth filter and FIR filter are already supported in THIS. We also have support for special cases of Butterworth filter, namely C60, C180, C600 and C1000. Bessel filter has been added to the automotive menu of THIS. It is a type of linear filter with a maximally flat group delay, which preserves the wave shape of the filtered signals in the passband. Bessel filter also has a smooth roll-off and causes no ripples. The Bessel filter is present in the automotive menu. We can access the filter by clicking on the Bessel filter button. Here we have to input the desired cutoff frequency and the filter order. I'm going to give 400 and 3 respectively. Now I will select the existing acceleration curve and press apply. You can see that the filtered curve has appeared in the legend. Now if I click on the original curve to blank it, we can see the filtered output curve is visibly different. Thank you.